Today, needlepointers.com will show you how to make a pom-pom rug for your doll. This pom-pom rug is an easy and fun do-it-yourself craft requiring no sewing. The rug can be made any size and shape and can be made for an American Girl doll, Barbie doll, miniature doll, or for even a stuffed animal. Let's get started. What you need: pom-poms, glue, cardboard, it can be a cereal box or other cardboard that you have on hand, a pencil, scissors, and you might need a template. Start by deciding the shape and how big you want the rug. You can make the rug round, rectangular, square, or even a heart shape. For this tutorial, I am making a round rug for a Barbie doll and will be using a plastic lid for the circle template. If you are making a rectangle or square rug, you will not need a template. For a round rug, place the lid or whatever you're going to trace on the cardboard and trace around the outside. Take a scissor and cut along the drawn line. If you're not making a circular rug, you can just cut out a square, rectangle, or heart shape on the cardboard. After cutting out the cardboard, it's time to attach the pom-poms. The size and color of the pom-poms is up to you. To make attaching the pom-poms easier to the cardboard, put some glue onto a paper plate. Dip the pom-pom into the glue and then start to attach it along the outside edge of the cardboard. You will be working from the outside to the center. The pom-poms should be placed close together so that you do not see any gaps or the cardboard. Continue to put the pom-poms all the way around the outside. Once you have completed the outside row, continue adding pom-poms row by row until you get to the center of the cardboard and it's completely filled. This colorful pom-pom rug is finished. It's ready for a doll or stuffed animal to use. Did you like this pom-pom rug do-it-yourself craft project? Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel so you do not miss future videos. Follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter by clicking the link in the description section. Want more kids' crafts? Our website, needlepointers.com, has a kids corner with lots of free crafts and tutorials for kids.